Hello, and hope you're doing fantastic. I'm fine myself. It's my wish that you are well. Here today with an amazing piano lesson for a brilliant Ed Sheeran song, Celestial. If you haven't checked it out, please do. First I'm gonna play the song, then soon I'm gonna show you how to play it yourself. Here we go. So, you can play it plainly like this, or you could spice things a little bit, to give you a good sound. Now let me show you how to play it. This is a short tutorial. We wouldn't want it to be lengthy and insufferable. So in this instructive video, the song is comprised of 4 chord progressions: the G, the B minor, the D chord, and A. You see, easy peasy. You can rewind, you can play it back as much as you want until you get it. Let me do it one more time. Now the left hand. For the bass, here are the same keys that I mentioned before. It's okay if you don't get the hang of it right away. You can pause the video or play back till you get it. By now you've realized that the song is a cathartic experience. That's it. There you have it. Now you can have some fun while practicing and playing. And while you're at it, please leave a like. Leave a like. It will do you no harm. I have a skill of smelling apathy from miles away. Just tap the button with a thumbs up. Yeah, the like button. It really goes a long way. And remember to keep it real in the comment section. Type in whatever you want. Criticisms 100% allowed. That was my rendition. If you felt like you loved it, press the like button. If you also felt like you didn't love it, press the like button. Anyway, I have to bounce. Bye.